Hola chicos, chicas. Looking at our verbal Spanish bell ringers, so this we're going to call it part one, and we'll kind of add on as we continue throughout trimester 2 and 3. But looking at question number one, tienes que estudiar los verbos en la clase de español. So asking about whether or not you need to study verbs. So sí, tengo que estudiar los verbos en la clase. All right, two question yo response. Looking at number two, our verb ir, to go, voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. So, vas a comer almuerzo. Are you going to eat lunch in the cafeteria? And actually, today you're not at school. So, no voy a comer almuerzo en la cafetería hoy. Or sí, voy a comer almuerzo en la cafetería mañana. And number three, where is your backpack? ¿Dónde está tu mochila? Mi mochila está en mi ropero. My backpack is in my locker. Or mi mochila está en casa. All right, just some ideas to get you started on practicing these questions.